Okay, here's the machine. Essentially, it is called a bedini motor generator. Oops. I built this. It's basically my design, but it's built strictly off of John Bedini's circuit and schematic. Off his schematic, I had to sort of design the circuit board myself because it's hard to do things exactly the way he did it, but it perfectly matches the schematic. It's a beautifully running machine. It is a machine that puts out twice as much energy as it takes to run the machine. It will power my house. Hopefully by the end of the summer I'll have the rest of the coils done. This, and I've got all kinds of pictures. That right there is one of the coils. Then number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I just have to get the rest of the coils built. Each circuit board, the circuit boards are built. All the additional ones. Oops. And they look like that. Oops. There. They look like that. Those are the transistors on the bottom. BJTs. And I just have to solder around all the components, and there's 7 more of these. And then I will have 8 coils, which will allow me to power a large battery bank, about 8 of those batteries instead of, well, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, yeah, 8, because those are 6-volt batteries put together in series, making it one 12-volt battery, 180 amp hours, and 6 more of those batteries, and then all put together in parallel will power my house. And I will be able to run the machine. Currently, this is just a power supply that I use, and I've got it connected in series to get it exactly to the power needs of the machine, which is what a battery naturally gives it, but it's just easier for experimentation purposes to power it with, out of the wall socket. These are just batteries. I can use one of these little batteries to charge those 2 huge batteries. It's an incredible machine. Here, let me start it up. I just go ahead and turn on some power. Give it a little spin to start it. Oh, here. Let me show you what it's doing. So it's about sitting at 12.5. It's been sitting for a couple days. Batteries self-discharge, so it's down to 12.5. Right now I'm essentially charging these 2 massive golf cart batteries with, if you do the math, it's basically 13.7 volts, and add those up, you got roughly 3 amps, a little bit over 3 amps. Voltage times current. I'm basically charging those 2 huge batteries with 40 watts of power. And those, it takes me 1200 watts, 1200 watt hours, if you understand what that means, to charge those 2 batteries. And I can discharge those batteries. I get 2400 watt hours out of them. That's a 2-to-1 ratio over unity. And there's a lot more to understand about the workings of this machine. It's based on Tesla's technology, developed by John Bedini back in the 80s, well, before, like, well, I think 1980, something like that, is when he first started trying to introduce this to people. And to this day, you can listen to Rick Friedrich talking, and there's just several people. Peter Lindemann is a great guy to listen to. He's to this day pushing this. They're all getting old though now. But I built it. I built it this way out of the materials that I used because I'm a woodworker and wood is my medium, so I built it out of wood. And you got to figure out a way how to design the mechanical. You can do a little mechanical engineering on your own to build the machine, but the system and the process is exactly what John Bedini designed, and it works beautifully. And when I get all my coils in, that's the back, those are the bus bars, the negative and positive that actually feed each coil. So I just got to get the coils done, get the circuit boards done, and plug them in at this point. And then purchase these two batteries. Were old batteries that I bought from a golf cart place for $30 because they're just old cores that were going to get turned in. And the beauty of it is this machine is conversion, a high efficiency. Well, how do you put it? It very efficiently converts sulfate back into lead inside the battery. So you can take an old wore out battery and recondition it with this machine and make it into a good battery. They now run almost as perfect as brand new batteries. So, and on the plus side, when you use this system to charge your batteries, the conversion rate is so high that your batteries have an indefinite lifespan. So once I get my battery packs, the batteries will probably outlive me as long as I keep charging with this system. And eventually, once the system is done, I'll power it with batteries that will be connected to a solar panel, so I'll have no need to even plug into the wall anymore. But I'll keep you posted on my progress, and check out the pictures. Anyone's got any kind of questions, feel free to contact me. I would love to help people build their own machine. A lot of patent protected information, so I can't market it, can't build more than one for myself, but I can help anyone that's interested build one. So rock on, and yeah, hopefully the country gets better. Peace out.